Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Let's Code. In this video, we are going to download and install PyCharm in Windows operating system. So, let's get started. But wait, before starting with this video, make sure you subscribe and do press the bell icon. So now, open your favorite browser and type PyCharm. But wait, before installing PyCharm, we need Python installed into our system. But in this video I'm not going to show how to install Python in your system, but you can check how to download and install Python in Windows operating system by clicking on the top right corner in the I button, or you can find the link in the description. Okay, so after installing Python, click on the first link in PyCharm, the Python IDE for professional developers. Now here you just need to click here on the download button. Now here in the download section, as we are going to install for Windows, so in Windows is good for the community tab because it is free and open source. Just click download in the community and it will start your downloading. Just click save and the setup will start downloaded, and it's around 366 MB file, so it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to get downloaded. So here, as you guys can see, the file has been downloaded. Just click show in folder. Now just double click the PyCharm community installer file. So here, welcome to PyCharm community edition setup. Just click next to continue. Now here I will be choosing the default location, that is C drive program files, to install the PyCharm community edition. Then click, you can choose your favorite destination folder, but here I'm going to choose the default location and then click next. Now here, yes, now here you have to add the launcher directory to the path, and if you want to create a desktop shortcut, then you can click the checkbox for 64-bit launcher. So after that, you just need to click next, and yes, click install. So here, as you can see, the setup is completed. Now here they're asking to reboot now, or you can manually reboot it later. So I will choose I want to manually reboot later and then click finish. So now just double click the PyCharm community to, to open the application. So here, as you can see, when you start the PyCharm for first time, it will show you an license agreement. Just click I confirm that I have read and then click continue. Now here the data sharing, let's just send anonymous statistics or don't send. Here I will prefer don't send. So here, welcome to PyCharm. So let's just first create a new project. So to create a new project, you just need to click on plus sign new project. Here you have to choose the location where you are going to store. So in D drive I'm going to make a folder Python location. Now here, new environment, virtual env. After that, and just avoid creating a main.py welcome script, and then click create. Okay, here we have the virtual env and all the libraries and scripts. To create Python file, you just need to right click on the directory and new Python file. Here I'm going to name it as main.py. Simply print hello world. To run the main file, just click on the run option, and here have to click this run and choose the main file. As you can see, the file is run hello world. So I hope you guys understood how to download and install PyCharm in Windows operating system. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment your thoughts, and do share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the upcoming video. Till then, bye bye.